Today we will discover together how to make a delicious asparagus and speck risotto, a perfect fusion of the sweetness of asparagus and the intense flavor of speck. The necessary ingredients are 320 grams of rice, preferably carnaroli or arborio, a bunch of asparagus, about 300 grams, 100 grams of speck cut into cubes. You will also need a small shallot, 1 liter of vegetable broth, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, salt, pepper, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Start by cleaning the asparagus. Remove the woody parts of the stem and cut off the tips, which you will set aside, then slice the rest of the stems into rounds. Heat a drizzle of oil in a pan and saute the chopped shallot until it becomes translucent. Add the asparagus stems and cook for a few minutes, then set aside. In another pan, lightly toast the rice until it becomes translucent, then add the sautéed asparagus and shallot. Deglaze with hot broth, adding it little by little and stirring continuously. Continue cooking for about 15 to 18 minutes. Midway through cooking, add the asparagus tips and continue to cook, adding broth as needed. When the rice is al dente, add the cubes of speck and carefully combine everything. Remove from the heat and stir in butter and Parmesan cheese, adjusting for salt and pepper. Let the risotto rest for a couple of minutes before serving, to ensure perfect creaminess. We remind you to subscribe to the channel and to visit our website so as not to miss any of our delicious recipes. Risotto is a dish that captures the essence of Italian cuisine, a specialty that requires patience and dedication. And let's not forget the asparagus, a symbol of spring that, together with speck, creates an irresistible contrast in color and taste. With this risotto, you will bring the tradition of northern Italy to the table, to delight the palate of your guests with authenticity and flavor.